It's Greg at Millstead Automotive here. I'd like to speak to you about the May specials that we've got going on. We're going to have a little bit of instructional information about alignments. So you're going down the road, kind of curb check, hit your car, wondering, why does my car not steer straight, steering wheel is off? Well, things like this can happen. Customer came in here and they did that very thing, and you can note how much red they have on their vehicle, that they did hit a few things here and there and their alignment is severely out. So with our expert Hunter Hawkeye equipment, we can do an alignment on that vehicle and the end result is all green. Now in the month of May, we're offering all alignments, most vehicles, your standard passenger cars and trucks for $59.95. Modified or lifted trucks are substantially different in price. Give us a call, come by and see us. I'd like to make sure that you are driving down the road straight.